Hello friends, welcome to Jyotikalika's channel. This is a Yerkot vlog which I am doing now. Thank you very much for your 6k views support for my Munnar vlog. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot. Club Mahindra Yerkot Resort is a wonderful place to visit. It is located at a distance of about 30 kilometers from Salem and 137 kilometers from Coimbatore. The closest airport is 222 kilometers away from Bangalore and 358 kilometers away from Chennai. When should you visit Yerkot? You should visit Yerkot, friends, in between the months of October and June. It's a wonderful time. The temperature swings between 11 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. We reached the Club Mahindra Yerkot Resort, which is the Lake Forest Resort, in the evening. It is considered to be the most beautiful resort in the Yerkot town. The resort is a century-old colonial bungalow. It takes you back in time. The rooms of the resort have been untouched by modernity. It has retained its vintage charm. They provide stunning views of the entire Yerkot property and the adjacent greenery also. The pics surrounding the wall of the restaurant and the pics in the rooms give you a very spooky feel. As it was Onam holidays, they had put a wonderful flower carpet and we enjoyed our Onam there. We also had the special tasty dish, the wonderful wooden fire pizza. The rooms provide stunning views of the entire Yerkot property and the adjacent greenery. Imagine waking up to views of verdant greenery and having your first cup of tea or coffee in hushed silence with only bird song to hear. One can just walk around the spice plantations, watch coffee beans being picked, go for a hike, listen to the birds singing, or just simply laze around and soak in the beauty of nature. And when you are in need of delicious food, the chefs at our Henrietta restaurant are ready to give you continental delights. A holiday here will soothe your frayed nerves and tired minds, as this resort, to tell you frankly, is the most comfortable resorts I have visited in Yerkot. In front of each room, they have kept old antique items which the Europeans used to use during World War. They used to stay here in this colonial bungalow. This is the view of our room. Some of the antique items are there on the walls. Old pics. The pathway looks really beautiful. You can just go for a walk and enjoy the greenery. This is the entrance of the Lake Forest Hotel. We went to the nearby lake for a boat ride. Our family enjoyed a boat ride. The scenic beauty is really a feast to the eyes. Calm waters and the silence of the environment is something which is eye-catching. We also went to a market nearby to have fish fry. When we came back at night, we had buffet in the restaurant, Henrietta restaurant, that's the name of the restaurant. The buffet was really tasty with lot of variety of dishes. We had juice, we had parathas, we had poha, whatnot. It has a touch of colonial architecture. The rooms have colonial architecture touch. It is surrounded by the hills and the forests. So sitting there we can view. A lot of monkeys came nearby with the family. Mother, father, beta, beti, all were there. It was fun watching them and eating, sitting in the restaurant. We really enjoyed their play. It's raining heavily in Yerkot and the temperature has come down. I think it's really now 15 degrees Celsius, chilling like anything. This is the place where wood fire pizza is being prepared by the chef. It is here where the wood fire pizza is being prepared. It's a tasty pizza. It is not prepared in oven. We also had a piece of a wood fire pizza, and we slept, and that was the end of the trip. The next day morning we left Yercaud to Kochi.